at the pretty lights. What joke could I do now? You'll never discover my master plan. My master planning of the most biggest laser ray gun in the world in the middle of Covent Garden.
Well, let's go.
Okay. So we're out and about. We're going to Tesco because apparently Tesco does cheap umbrellas and it's raining today.
Oh, we didn't know that Kevin was so rich.
Yeah, I'm so rich. Have you seen my change video with the bags of change I got in my house? And so yeah, I'm not rich, but I'm a bit smart with my money at the moment. So all the different decor. We're looking around. Sorry,
same bedroom.
Following Joe and Stella. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna hang this up because it's raining still.